Today I present to you one of my newest listing in one of most popular neighborhood in Ewa Beach. Some of my favorite things about this home are the open floor plan that flows really well with lots of natural lights. It also has a bedroom on the first floor, which is perfect for guests, and how it's located around some of the most beautiful golf courses on the island, and it's only a short distance away from the newly opened recreation and entertainment center, the lineup at Wai Kai, with its surf wave pool, restaurants, coffee shop, and so much more.